Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic: people-pleasing. When people ask you for favors, do you find yourself saying yes, even when you're busy? Would you feel too guilty to say no? Have you lost connection with yourself, your preferences, your desires? Are you suffering from low self-esteem? If this sounds like you, you're likely a people pleaser. But not to worry. It just means that you've gotten out of balance with your behaviors, causing you to lose touch with yourself. People pleasers typically use a strategy they learned in childhood called fawning. Children learn to fawn as a way to stay in relationship with caretakers. Some parents have a strong sense of entitlement, believing the world revolves around them. So to maintain a relationship with the parent, the child will begin to sacrifice personal needs and desires, focusing instead on making the parent happy. Now, this relationship strategy might have helped you survive childhood. However, it can lead to people-pleasing or codependency later in life. And as the years go by, you'll become so disconnected from your own preferences and desires, you might struggle to define yourself when asked the questions, "Who are you?" or "What do you like?" So try the following tips. First, let's remove the label people pleaser, because it's not who you are, it's what you do. It's a set of behaviors that have caused you to move out of balance. Focus on the healthy and balanced version of fawning. It's when you behave in a way that's kind, caring, cooperative, and helpful, yet boundaried. The unhealthy version of fawning is when you behave in a way that shows the world you're a doormat, codependent, a people pleaser, a servant, or socially perfect. And second, you're going to have to take a risk and show yourself. It was scary to reveal yourself as a child and risk being rejected. However, as an adult today, the people around you will feel safer and more connected to you when you set appropriate boundaries and share your preferences. Check in with yourself before you say yes to anything. Build in time for yourself before you give an answer to anyone by saying, "I'm not sure if that will work with my schedule. I'll get back to you after I check it." When you respect yourself, you'll teach the world to respect you as well. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.